Among all the worlds in our solar system, there is one that packs a heavier punch. Despite not being the biggest or hottest, Earth holds the title for the highest density of any planet. To understand why Earth is so heavy for its size, we first look at the 5 distinct layers that make up our world: the crust, asthenosphere, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Each layer has a unique composition that contributes to the total. The primary reason for Earth's high density is its massive iron-nickel core. This metallic heart makes up a significant portion of the planet's mass, giving Earth a density of approximately 5.5 grams per cubic centimeter. You might wonder why Mercury is less dense despite having a core that makes up a much larger fraction of its body. The answer lies in the physics of gravity and size. Because Mercury is much smaller than Earth, it experiences less gravitational compression. Without that immense pressure squishing the material down, its average density ends up being about 2% lower than our own. This comparison highlights a fundamental rule of our solar system. Terrestrial rocky planets are significantly denser than the gas giants like Jupiter, which have densities closer to water. By measuring these densities, astronomers can decode a planet's inner structure without ever landing on it. Earth's specific density tells us exactly how much iron lies deep beneath our feet. Now you know that it's not just size that matters, but composition and compression. What other planetary facts surprised you most? Let us know in the comments below.